In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Json to Excel, CSV, and Google Sheets, Google Colab. Start by opening your Google Colab notebook. Once you are inside the notebook, go to the top area where you can add or bring in code, and click on Import. This helps you quickly pull in the code you need for converting JSON data using common Python libraries. Next, you will install the Excel writing engine that Pandas uses to create Excel files. In a code cell, run the command to install OpenPyXL. After it finishes, you will be able to export your data to an XLSX file without errors. Installing packages in Colab can take a few seconds, so wait until the cell completes before moving on. Now you are ready to work with your data. Make sure you have a code cell selected, then click on Code to add a fresh code cell if needed. In that cell, you will load your Json into a Pandas datarcrime. This is the key structure that makes exporting easy, because a datarcrime can be saved to multiple formats with simple commands. If your Json is a standard flat structure, you can read it directly. If your Json is nested, you will need to normalize it into a table-like shape before exporting, so that columns and rows are created cleanly. Once your datarcrime is ready, export it to CSV by saving it with Pandas to a TurSL CSV file. Use index set to false, so you do not add an extra index column to your file. Then export the same datarcrime to Excel by saving it to an XLSX file, again keeping the index out for a cleaner spreadsheet. To move your data into Google Sheets, you will authenticate your Google account in Colab. Click on the line that runs auth authenticate user and execute it. Follow the sign-in prompts so Colab can access your Google Drive and Sheets. After authentication, use the Google Sheets library to create a new spreadsheet. Open the first worksheet and update it by writing your header row first, and then the rest of the datarcrime values. This will paste your data into the sheet in a structured way. Finally, click to highlight the code you want to use or rerun, so you can quickly manage the cells you executed and keep the notebook organized. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.